My daughter, you're welcome. I don't want to quiet.
Oh, but I got.
Sano. The pasano. Hey!
You see. That's where I'm coming back from. If you see where Norma, our husband, are living, some people are living in heaven while we are not.
Akokwana.
What I got. If you see what I saw there, I catch fun.
Hey!
Catch fun, Mama.
No wonder you have refused to come back. 2 weeks after the wedding.
If not for you, I would have come back.
My daughter, don't worry. You're welcome.
Thanks, Mama.
Just go in and drop your bag. And come out and give me the full story of that place.
I hope.
Of course now. Very delicious now.
Hey.
You will like it.
You.
You're special. Hey! You're welcome, oh. Hey! Nipa na hanya. Nipa na wonders. Nipa na wonders. No.
That place is fine. There's this type of motto that everyone brings to this village. Everybody will come out and be watching the car. In Port Harcourt, there's what they call main load. In that main load, you see many motors. That's same. One will pass, another one will pass.
On the main load?
Mama, you wait for them to stop, they won't stop.
Where are they going to?
I don't know. The motors in Port Harcourt does not finish.
Oh, there are many there.
Many.
Hey!
If it's in Port Harcourt, as we are discussing now, aeroplane has flied over our head.
Over your head?
Mama, you don't know what I'm saying. Aeroplane will just, it does not fly here now.
Who told you now? They fly you.
This aeroplane in this village.
They fly in this village now. You see,
once in a blue moon now. But Harcourt is fine. But Harcourt, like 15 or 20 past. They will fly like this.
Oh, president now fly.
I don't know. That place is like heaven.
Hey!
I do feel like coming back. It's just you. If not.
Back now.
My sister just came back.
City girl.
Never.
So what did you bring for me now?
Calm down, you know gist. Plenty of gist, my sister.
Am I going to eat your gist?
No.
How's our friend and our husband?
Norma is not a confirmed city girl. If you see their house, very tall house like this.
It's not normal that I go hunting with us.
Hey, Chioma, you're talking about hunting. Who's talking about hunting? I said if you see their bedroom, or the bed, don't worry, one of these days I'll take you to Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt, it's fine.
Hey, I can't wait to go to this city of Port Harcourt.
AC.
Yeah.
No AC.
AC. Doesn't give me AC.
But in Ghana, what chawa?
Chawa.
I prepare chawa. I'm telling you the truth. So now walking chawa.
Sweetheart.
Baby.
Do you know why I decided to come over to Port Harcourt to get a job? Because of my mom.
Hey. How do you mean?
You see, I want us to live without the dictates of my mom. I don't want her to always barge in on me and tell me what to do and what not to do.
Hey.
I want us to live our lives.
That is a very good and kind of you. Eh?
And my sister too, before she thinks of flying down to Port Harcourt, she'll be discouraged of coming to the house.
Hey. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's okay. I'll do anything for your love.
Don't say anything. I can see it all. Eh? Every day I kneel and thank God for making me know someone like you. Hmm?
Sweetheart.
Baby.
I love you.
Me too. Me too.
I will.
Soup used to be for me in the family house. A special one.
You there? It's like this is soup.
Yes, but it's not about the egusi soup now. Every soup, every food you cook, I love it. You're just the best cook in the whole world.
You flatter me.
I'm not flatter. How can I flatter you now? It's not possible. Can I say? Just take this money and walk down the street, you see a mini market. There is my phone. Everything you need for the soup, you find it there.
No problem. When you go and come back, the soup will be waiting for you.
That's right. Okay, I'll see you when I come back. Effiong!
Bye.
Yeah. Effiong!
Yes, Oga. Good morning.
Morning. Open the gate for me.
Oh.
I don't agree with you. Seriously, I don't agree. Seriously, that's not true. It's a lie. Guy, listen to me. You are missing out. I don't agree with you. You're the one missing out here. Okay. Look at you. See, want me to prove it for you? How can you say things like that? See, okay, look at you. With your mother's connections, you got a good job. And you're well paid. With all this money, you need to flit around town, go around, make new friends, meet girls. I'm telling you. But all you did was to cage yourself up in marriage. You are missing a lot. You don't finish. Now let me tell you something. The best time to get married is now. So you better start thinking of getting married. Marriage is sweeter in young age. All these things you people are calling enjoyment, they are not all. Rather, you claim yourself. You spend the prime of your youthful age with a stranger when you want to use your strength. They're all gone. So I tell you, Flip, now is the best time for you to get married. You better start off thinking. No, you're missing out. See, look at me. It's very fresh.
Flip, my guy. See, Ken, honestly, I am not happy. Do you know you just deprived me of my lunch?
Don't bother yourself. You
soon see what I am telling you. Hmm? So chill.
Come to think of this. Are you telling me that your wife's food tastes better than that woman? I mean, the woman at the usual joint. Is that what you're telling me?
All they do is to put spices, all manner of spices in their food. I am going to show you the real food, natural food, without no spice. Meanwhile, it will still taste good. Hmm? So chill. My wife is the best cook in the whole world. Hmm? Don't bother yourself. You're going to taste the natural food.
Oh, it's okay. Am I not off?
Yes.
Allow me to eat the food and confirm.
So chill. Just keep quiet. Let's be going. You taste natural food. You confirm. Hmm? No be talk and say. Play. I'll marry you and stop eating buka. Hey. What is it? Why do you yawn now? Yeah, big time.
I'm so famished. I am famished.
Yeah, chill now. Don't they reach out, eh? Don't swallow me in this car, I beg. Yeah, what's up? How are you?
I'm fine, okay?
What's going on? It's not like my wife. It's once she hears me driving, she runs out to come and meet me.
Maybe she's still cooking. Don't you think so?
You're right. Let's go in. Hey, baby. I'm home. Baby. What is it? Why are you crying?
I couldn't cook the soup. Efion!
Okay, madam. Okay, madam, you call me.
You fit helping me go buy your supplement.
I go buy am, madam. Now which hotel I go buy am? I mean, which type of soup I go buy? Is it afang, editan, vegetable, Igbo, Dikeh, melon? Which one I go buy, madam?
No be soap. Soap things. Let the meat. Let the oil. Egusi. Soup things.
Madam, you know, say I know go be buy that one where they jack now. You know, say now woman and then they buy that all those things where they mention. So, you know, I know go be buy that one. But madam, if you cross down main road where they there, now, if you pass and small, you go see one small market where they there, you go see where then they sell all those things where they mention now. Go be go. I say now women and them.
Make I go. May you take care of the house, yeah?
Oh. You say,
Bello.
So you couldn't get a food stop because you couldn't cross the road? Oh. Why are you laughing like Nemo?
I beg, Ken. See, I am very hungry. I need to eat something, please.
My dear, so you've not eaten anything since I left?
I am not hungry.
Hi. Okay, do you know what? Just put notice on the fire for me, okay? We'll manage it, okay? Tomorrow I'm going to take you to the market by myself to get the food stuffs you need, okay?
Ken, please, I can't wait for the noodles. I need to go out there and get something to eat.
Just for me, okay? Please, stop crying. Stop crying.
This is too bad.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
That's good. Ken, look at you. You're a man of class. You work on your income. You're a big boy. Honestly, that girl is not the kind of girl you can present to our friends. How do you take her out for events? That girl is too local to be your wife.
Please. Let this be the first and the last time you speak about my wife in such manner. She's not your wife. She's mine. So leave the whole problems for me.
Okay. I'm only advising you just pass.
Unfortunately, I don't need your advice to run my marriage. I don't need it.
I surrender. Can I eat now?
Baby, I'm sorry for embarrassing you before your friend.
It's okay. It's a personal. It's okay.
What do you say about me?
See, I knew you were a village girl, but I found myself loving you. Nothing matters to me now in this life but you being by my side. If I could fight and win my family's attack, because I declared my intention of making you my wife, there is no battle I could not win.
I don't know why God sent a man like you to me. You're full of understanding, compassion and care.
Baby, it's okay. Whatever my friends say doesn't matter to me. Anybody can say anything.
I love you, Mom.
Now see how to cross this kind of road. Just focus on the both sides. Watch your left, watch your right. Then come to the lane. Whenever you find a little space. Are you listening to me?
I'm listening.
Whenever you find a little space, walk into the middle. From there, you watch your right, and a little space will not be hard for you to cross. Once you get that little space, you enter.
Hey, but if we enter the center of the road, all the cars coming from there and there, they will hit us now.
No, they won't. They will apply their brake till you cross over.
Yeah.
Now, watch your left. Watch your right again. But always focus on this side. Now, let's cross.
Hey.
Fast. Good.
We have crossed,
Now, you can continue with your market there. Let me go back to work.
Hey, thank you,
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
It's lunchtime.
Is it 1 o'clock already?
And yeah, it's 1:30 a.m. right now.
Wow.
Famished.
I didn't even check my time.
So, let's go.
I'm not going for lunch today. You can go.
Well, if you're reserving your stomach for your wife's delicacy, me, I'm going to have my lunch. Because I'm not ready for any kind of drama again. I'm sure this time, it's either she's setting up the firewood in your kitchen, or something fun is even happening now.
At least I'm better than you. I am happily married. And what about you?
I rather remain single than getting married to that your oversized and over-organized weke that you call a wife.
See you later, bro. I'm going to have my lunch. Hey.
Baby. This is another magic of yours.
Thank you.
I wish this food was ready. Now yesterday Flea came home to me.
I was even thinking he will follow you and come back today.
Don't mind him. He can't stop making jest of yesterday's event. He can't just stop.
Okay, why, Baba?
I don't know. Don't mind him. All he does is to jump from one girl to another. From one girl to another.
Did he make a mockery of me before your other friends?
Even if he did, if he wants, you can go and put it in CNN. Okay. Okay, whatever he said about you. What matters to me is the love I have for you. I always love you.
Thank you.
Broken.
I love you too. Baby, everything has finished in the house. The soaps, the detergents, everything. Yeah? Maybe on your way from the office, you stop at the supermarket to buy them.
No, I won't be coming early today. I'll be home late today. We are having a meeting with the group managing director. So you go on there. Right. I think this money will be enough. You take care, huh? Bye.
Edo. Edo.
Yes, Oga.
Young lady, we have been monitoring you from the security camera. It's been over an hour you entered here. Since then, you've not picked even a single thing. So who are you? And what is your mission to this place?
Hey! Norma,
What is that you are hiding behind me? I said, nothing. What is that?
Nothing.
Nothing. You are hiding nothing. I said, what is that you are hiding behind you?
Nothing.
You must be joking. What is this? So you want to steal it?
Hey! I'm not a thief.
Shut up! You are not a thief, but you are learning how to steal.
Not the truth. This is the money my husband gave me to buy you something. I'm not a thief. I'm not.
Now move.
I'm not a thief.
I said move! Move!
Yes. My wife? A thief? My friend, stop that. Stop that rubbish. You must be out of your mind. I'll be there now.
That man.
Why don't you go straight and pay what you want? And go to the counter and pay. Then go round and round and round the supermarket. Didn't you see yourself on the TV? What's wrong with you?
Baby, I'm sorry. I didn't know where to pick the things I wanted. The place was very big.
You would have asked someone. What were you doing with toy? Children's toy. Ordinary toy. What's wrong with you? Please, take those things in, please. I'm going back to the office. I have a meeting to attend. Okay? Just go in and take those things.
My love, I am very, very sorry for what happened today. I didn't mean to steal the motor toy. I only saw it and I liked it. Please forgive me. Please.
It's okay. It's not your fault. You're not to be blamed. Love is to be blamed. It was love that took you from the village, brought you to this strange city life, which you're not used to. But don't worry. More soon.
Thank you, my lovely. Thank you. I can't stop loving you.
It's okay. Yes, I can manage, okay? Don't worry.
Hey, if you ask me, I will say let me call your office people. Let me tell them you're not feeling too well, so I can look after you very well.
Don't worry, don't bother yourself.
Are you sure, baby?
Yeah, I can manage, okay? I will be fine. Just tell Effiong to open the gate for me, okay?
Effiong! Effiong! Open the gate. Okay, madam. Okay, open.
Yeah, I'm on.
I'm fine, okay? Are you sure you can manage it?
Yeah, I'll manage, okay?
Ken! 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 Ken!
The doctor said you need bed rest for 3 days. You need to call your family to get you some items like change of weights and food items.
Alright.
I'll be coming to check on you.
Well, I have to rush back to the office. Okay?
Try your best.
And then don't forget to call your wife so that she can bring the destination. Take care of yourself, right? So, okay.
Because of love, village girl they marry city boy. Because of love, village girl they marry city boy. I'm gonna get your love, love wanting it. I'm gonna get your love, not be my photo. Child, honey.
Hello?
Hello, my love.
Hey, my love.
How are you?
I'm okay.
As I'm speaking to you right now, I'm in the hospital.
What happened? What happened? I told you not to go. Not to go. You said you will go. You will go. You will go.
It's okay. Just calm down. I've attended the office, and a friend of mine rushed me to the hospital.
Hey! Which hospital? Which hospital?
Honey, calm down first. Calm down. Just come to the hospital, eh? When you finish whatever you're doing, okay?
Hey, I will call him now. I will come on now. Hey.
While coming, I want you to get some shirts or t-shirts or shorts for me, just to change. And buy some provisions from the supermarket for me, okay?
Hey, I don't have any money on me. I don't have any money.
I know. You use my ATM. Just go inside the room. My ATM is by the left drawer.
ATM?
Yeah. Okay. The ATM number is 1234.
Yeah.
Hey. I want you to withdraw about 60,000 naira. We're going to pay my friend back for the money he used for the deposit in the hospital. Okay, and you're going to use the rest for our upkeep. Listen attentively. My PIN number is 1234. Huh? I said my PIN number is 1234. Hello? Baby, are you there?
Hey, I listen.
Just withdraw the money. Call me. I'll direct you to where you will come, okay? Are you okay?
I come in. Hey. The one on normal na. Hey, ATM. Hey. Can I talk also? Can I come again? one is it? Eh? Which one? Which one is it? Eh? Which one?
Yes, where?
Michimak Bank.
Which one?
Michimak Bank.
I heard you now. I said which branch?
I don't know. He didn't tell me. He didn't tell me.
Are you going to look for someone or what?
I want to use the ATM.
Use the ATM?
Yes.
Enter, let me take you to the nearest branch. Yeah.
How much?
Just 500.
Huh? Okay, why?
Is it not drop you want?
Which one is the drop?
I will carry only you. I won't pick any other person along the road. No.
But the money is too much.
But the price is that.
She's a witch now. Tumbo, tumbo, tumbo. Obu, abu. Let me use this one and see. Hi. Hi. It is not working, no.
Madam, what are you doing there now? Eh? Hurry up, hurry up!
Why should be even like a fool?
I don't know.
Please, I'm coming home. Hey! Come on, 2, 3, 4. Hey! It is not entering, no!
Hey, you're kissing away. You want to do sitting girl, you sitting girl, sitting girl. You come to the city. Look at you. I don't know.
Why are you sounding like that? Why are you crying? What happened?
I gave the last 500 naira I have on me. I don't have any money on me again.
So you mean ATM did not pay you?
No, he didn't pay me. He didn't pay me.
Then why didn't you call me since then?
I don't have a credit on my phone.
Who told you you don't have credit on your phone? Did you check your airtime?
No. I forgot that thing you taught me on how to check my balance on my phone. I forgot it.
Okay, it's okay. Just stop crying. Yeah? Stop crying. Where are you right now?
Where am I? I don't know where I am. I don't know. I can see one big house with the big like roof on it. I can see men load everywhere. My front. Men load. Yeah, men load. I can see people selling things around me.
See, look around. Find someone. Ask somebody where you are right now. Let me come and pick you.
Hey! Who will I ask? I don't know who to ask. I don't know.
What's your problem? Eh? Nonsense. Nurse! Nurse! Nurse!
Yes?
Come on, remove this now. I want to go and pick my wife. She's missing.
The doctor said you need some rest, please.
I said my wife is missing. You're telling me doctor said?
It's your head, Ken. You might collapse again, please.
Nothing will happen to me. Remove this thing.
Me, I cannot. The doctor said you should rest.
If you don't want to remove this thing, I'll tear it off myself.
It's okay. Give me her number. I will call my cab driver to pick her wherever she is. Please.
See me, see wahala.
No, so thank you. You're welcome.
So you mean ATM did not pay you?
I was confused. I didn't know which one is which again. Jesus. I kept on trying. Even the pin number you gave to me, I tried it, but it didn't work. I had to leave it when people started complaining that I was wasting my time.
No. When will you stop embarrassing me before people? So up till now, you don't know how to use ATM. You can't even differentiate ATM from national ID card.
I am sorry. Baby.
What is it? What?
Baby, I know you're not happy with me. I know I caused you a lot of trouble at the hospital today. But one thing I want you to understand is that I want to play acting all these things. I am not. The first time I come to the city was when you saw me and you said you were liking me. And I said no, because I know what is involved. And you said no, you insisted. Because I know what is involved. I know. But you won my heart. Please, just give me small time. I will learn everything. I will learn. At least now, I have learned some household manners. I will learn all these ones. I will learn them. Because, please, small time.
It's okay. I always love you.
Baby,
Tomorrow morning, I'll be going to the maternal home. I just need to go and stay there for some time.
Kiro, do you want to leave me and go?
Hey, are you complaining? When you went to Port Harcourt City, did I complain?
Is that how it is? No problem. If you go, I'll go back to Port Harcourt. I'm telling you, if I go, I'm not coming back home.
Like you go, don't let me know that tomorrow morning after checking my trap, I'll be going.
Catch what, Mama? Not even a rat. Come on, rat, my trap could not catch. Unless you would have been better.
Don't worry, my daughter. Oh? Okay, go in and drop your machete.
Mama, I want to go and visit my friend in Port Harcourt.
Ozokwa, was it up to 3 months you came back from Port Harcourt? You want to go again?
Oh, no. It's more than 6 months.
Okay, you come and call which 6 months? I'm not my friend.
Okay. It's 3 months and some weeks. But my friend Nkiru will soon travel to go and see the mother at Matana home. Mommy, I'm lonely.
So because you will be lonely, you don't want to go and stay with a married woman, so that you will be sharing her husband with her, or you will try to snatch her husband away from her. Okay?
Hey. Hey, Mama. Mama, Kiki Sekuzoto, how can you say a thing like this now? Okay, I'm not going there to stay with them permanently. Even if it's 1 week, let me just go and come back. Mama,
Go and drop your machete first.
Is that a yes?
Go first. We'll still talk about it later. You just came back from Port Harcourt. You want to go again?
A minute na 30 naira for any note.
You like saying the same thing. Tomorrow you say it again. Still next day you say it again.
Maybe you say we dey call you. But you know say your matter pass my too much.
Nah, die,
no problem.
Nama!
are you? Your husband, Dinka?
Hey, we are fine, no. It's just that we're managing, eh? Life here is not easy, eh? My husband has gone to the office, eh? Hey.
Managing. Hey, if you call life in Port Harcourt management, what will you call life in the village?
Hey, Chioma, you want to understand, eh? If I tell you everything your sister has been going through here, you will have mercy on your sister.
Eh?
Hey, look at me now, look at Norma. Me, and I'm going to the bank. Eh? Norma, I'm crossing the main road. And Norma, I'm using the ATM machine. Eh?
Yes, sir. It's in again the machine.
Chioma, it is not an ATM machine. It is ATM machine. See, I'm even better than you. I'm better than you.
No, now we are not dragging who is better. But what is ATM machine now?
Hey, Chioma, it is one big machine. Now when you put the card inside, it will give you money. Hey.
Hey, no ma. I'd like to come to Port Harcourt too. And if I come, I'll stay just 1 week. If I come, you show me the ATM machine.
Hey, I forgot to ask my mother and your own mother. Hope they are fine.
Your mother is fine. All of them, they are fine.
Choma, it is okay, I have heard everything you said, I will talk to my husband when he comes back from work. You will call me tomorrow, Call me tomorrow.
Okay. I'll call you.
It's your voice that I've heard there. It's sweet to me. Hey, it's doing me somehow.
Me too. I feel like they're flying to Port Harcourt this night. Okay, my money is going. Cut.
Bye. Look at the Java, ATM machine. ATM machine. Hey, Java will not kill me.
Your money now 150.
For why? No, you don't give for why?
For the call where you make now. A minute now 30 naira. You can't make 5. If you times 3 into 5 now, how much? Not be 150 naira.
Just this telling me something that I said now.
See one. Which one be telling me something? Since when you dey here, they talk, they laugh, they joke, they cry for food. Yes, so Port Harcourt ATM machine. You know nothing na my credit today, but I do not even nothing I owe money they can't. If you no give me my money now,
Give me change. Give me change.
Oh yeah, Jesus. Give me my money complete. You get grace. Give me my money now.
Okay, wait. Wait now.
Oh yeah, my money.
Hey.
Give me my money. You even carry the money, go hide inside your pants, They find you go do Ojorabi. Take. Oh no, she never. See, no. Where? Thief. You even carry the money, go come to me Ojorabi.
Please. It's okay, that was good. You're very funny. Okay. You.
Baby, there is something I want to tell you.
Okay, what is it? I'm listening.
My friend, Chioma, called me this afternoon.
Okay. I hope all is well at home.
Yes. She said everybody is fine.
Oh, thank God.
She also said she wants to come to the city to come and spend some time with us. Why are you keeping your face like that? You didn't want her to come?
See, baby, we don't need her. I don't think we need her in this house. What you need is people that will help to brush you out of this your village mentality. This is PH. You need to mingle with the right people that will help you to click into modern facilities. Not people from village that will come here and bring out more village girl in you. What is it? We don't need her. We don't.
I agree, I agree. I'm a village girl. I agree. No problem. But I was on my own, You carry this your city body. I and pushing me, telling me love. No problem, oh. Stay in your city house. Chop it. Chop it!
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I know I'm a village girl. And you're a city boy. I will go and pack my things and go back to my village. So you'll be happier. Your mother will be happy as well too. It's a wish for me to leave you alone.
Please, don't bring my mother into this. Okay?
It is what she wants. It is what she wants. She wants to leave me alone because I'm a village girl.
You and I knew that my mother finally gave her consent to this union.
So why are you calling me a village girl?
I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry from my heart. Okay? You can go ahead and tell Chong, your friend, to go. She can stay here as long as she wants. Okay?
But my husband, will not be able to come to pick it from the park. And you know me too, I don't know how to cross the road. What you will do is when you get to the park, take a Dikeh. Yes. Tell the Dikeh man to bring it to number 8 William Mills Close, Rumilo. Yes, number 8. Not number 18, no. Hey! I know why I'm saying number 8, though. Because if anything happens, I won't know what to do. I cannot do anything till my husband comes back home. Bye-bye, I will see you, Chioma!
Go down here now, number 8.
No. This is not where I'm going to. I have gone there before. It is not here.
Oh, maybe you say they go number 8. Now here now, go down.
Okay, see my friend house, normal house, It's very tall, Ulelu. And this one is short. This is not where I'm going to.
Wait first. You mean upstairs or a story building?
Upstairs. Upstairs. Biko take me there, oh?
But this one where you come they change their name because we get Oyamadu Street. We get Oyamili Close. Which one?
Chere. Hey, I beg no verses. Oyamili, Oyamili. Biko.
They sound like twins. Now you be their mother. You don't even do self. This keke don't even come up for Nutra. To start this keke and another is.
How are you? I'm fine. Oh, you're welcome. Take you go bring. I hope you bring something for me. Last, just leave go. Is it enough? Look at you, City girl. Nice to get someone's house with address, Hey! My sister, I almost lost myself. Telling you. Keke driver took me to one ugly short house. When I looked, I said, no, this cannot be Mama's house. And I have to brought me here. Hey, thank God you didn't go missing, What would I have done, My sister didn't work as well. Are you sure you're not pregnant? Hey, Mikwa. Obago? I don't know. Okay, why your mother gave me abacha to give to you. Hey, abacha. Good woman. Come, let me go and prepare the abacha for you. No. Sharp. Hey, come, let's go. I am hungry. You enjoy it. I am hungry. You are very, very high. Hey, my husband is back. You're welcome. Welcome. I'm fine. My hand is clean now. Welcome.
How are you?
Let's go to joint. It's okay.
You're not talking to me.
No, let's go. Let's go now.
I don't know. Maybe because he saw us eating abacha.
Yeah. You don't like abacha?
Maybe because we bring it to the parlor. The pot.
Let me carry the pot to the kitchen. Hey.
I'm enjoying every bit of it. I'm enjoying
It's like anytime I take you home with me, this whole thing happens. Don't stop taking going home with you.
Come on, man. How can you say a thing like that? See, odd things happen in your house every day. But this odd thing even lives with you.
What's that supposed to be?
Come on, listen. Let's not go into what almost cost our friendship. See, I'm addressing you now as a friend. This girl, keep her indoors. Don't let her come outside because each time she comes out, she causes you embarrassment. But she's almost a nuisance to the community and even to you yourself. Is it your business? Is it your business?
Very stupid.
No, let me call you the people. Waiter! Please, get him something to drink.
Well, call me again.
Still, I bring problem to you or to your husband. Let me go back to the village.
Don't worry.
I'm just to one more.
Baby, I am sorry.
You see, I need to come to this. At the end of the day, you end up saying, I am sorry. I tried to explain to you why she wouldn't come, but you misunderstand me. All you have to say is that I am calling you a village girl. You see it?
I am sorry. I am sorry.
See, it's not being sorry is the issue here. It's all about doing the right thing at the right time. If she had not come, probably you might be watching television or doing some other thing the time I walked in with my friend. At least you would have saved me this round of another embarrassment.
I know. But the mistake has been done already.
It's not the made mistake we're talking about. We're talking about the one that is yet to be made if she continues to stay.
No problem. Tomorrow morning, she will go.
See, my love, please, she has to go, okay? She has to go. You don't need that kind of company, okay? Please, I don't mind giving her money to go.
She will go.
That's my girl. She needs to be happy. The way she was sent home wasn't good at all. So we need to compensate her with this amount. I'll see you. Take care. Yes, open the gate for me.
Yes. It's like he's still angry with me. He asked me to give you this money.
For why? Eh? Like, why no? Oh, he wants me to go. Eh? Mama, you and your husband want me to go back to the village, Okoya?
Hey, Choma, it's not like that. Eh? It's not.
No problem. I will leave your house.
Hey, problem. Choma, let me explain now. Eh?
Keep you explain to yourself. Keep it to yourself.
Choma.
Get out of the way. Mama, get out of the way. Oh. Let me go back to my poor mother. Yes. Let me go back to the village.
Choma, please now, understand. Eh? Understand.
It is not your fault. It is not your fault. Because you are lucky to marry a man that is living in Port Harcourt City. Me, have I sent anybody to marry me? No, not even a village hunter. So let me go back to the village.
Hey, Choma, has it gotten to that?
Yes, it has gotten to everything. Why didn't you tell your husband to allow me to stay for some time? Eh? You did not.
Okay. Please don't go again. Don't go. Stay.
Eh?
I will talk to my husband when he comes back. Eh?
Are you sure?
Stay.
I don't want insult to.
He will not insult you.
You don't have to cry in every little matter like this. You should know that you're a married woman. You're no longer a kid. Stop crying.
follow you to your friend's party. Am I not your wife?
You're my wife.
But what? See it. You're ashamed of me. You're not too proud of your wife. Eh? But what? You want your friends to know you're marrying a village girl? Say everything. Say it. You're ashamed of me. You're ashamed of me.
Okay. Do you want to go with me?
Yes.
You go and get dressed.